This tutorial is going to look at creating more complex geometry using the sketch tool. So we'll start with a new part. We'll select a plane. We'll go to the sketch tools, and we'll just begin with a rectangle. We'll add some intersecting shapes. Add some lines. Press the escape key when you want to finish using a specific drawing tool. Add another intersecting rectangle. And then we'll go to Trim Entities to begin to delete the extraneous lines. You really just want to have a single line that sort of follows the perimeter of the shape. And this is specifically to prepare it as an extrusion. If we tried to extrude it right now, it wouldn't be able to do it because there's interior lines and multiple geometries. So we just go around deleting everything. Make sure there's no little bits or pieces. Oops. Okay. And now that we have that, just zoom in, make sure we didn't miss anything. Accept that. Go to Features, Extrude. Okay, now it's saying that there's a problem. So we have to find where that is. And right here you can see we have an extra line. Yeah, so we have two lines defining an edge. So we need to go back to the sketch, select it, go to Trim Entities again, and then just delete this line. Okay, now we'll go accept it again. Go back to Extrude, and now no problem. Accept. There you go. So that's using multiple tools in Sketch to create a much more complex form, and then using the extrude boss to create a solid.